How work great. About, kubeier sugar coating machine, small commercial mini chocolate panning machine. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Our small commercial mini icing machine has constant temperature drying, adjustable speed and no damage to raw materials. Complete functions, one machine with multiple functions, rounding, drying, polishing and coating. This electric sugar coating machine can be used for various purposes such as polishing and rolling of spherical or granular materials in pills, tablets, candy, food, light industry and chemical industry. The whole machine is made of stainless steel, beautiful and practical, wear resistant and corrosion resistant. Real materials, the diameter of the pot body is 300 mm, and it can hold more materials at a time. Rotating speed of drum can be adjusted according to needs, ARC-shaped heating plate, heating while rolling, and evenly drying. The external protective frame prevents the switch from being opened accidentally. This coating machine has complete functions and can be used for various purposes such as pill coloring, candy drying and polishing, tablet coating, food seasoning, candy coating, and making chemical beads. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.